mo, kahit galing ka pa lang sa tiyan ng nanay mo, ang sabi ng Diyos, lahat ito'y biyak. I-pray po natin, i-rebuke natin yung anumang uri ng sakit na pwedeng dumating sa panahon na kayo po ay kumuha rin ng kandila bilang nanay kureta kayo. Babi JR, sila lang yung
next. Kakabasa ko nga lang. Sayang ko sige, para bigyan mo yung kalat niya. Uy, hindi pasok ko yung bigyan. Oo, kasama sa kalat niya. Makinig lang. Sana ba? Huwag ka matakot, matibay yan.
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. And welcome to my 29th birthday. I'm grateful to say welcome home. Ayun, sa mga hindi nakakatanong, I've been through a lot. Different houses. And finally, ito na yung masasabi kong bahay ko. I prepare songs for you guys, especially sa mga tao nandito. And this songs is not just a song, but a message to everyone. To every one of you. Sobrang halaga ng araw na to sa akin. And sobrang nagpapasalamat ako to be with you guys tonight. So, love you! First, I would like to greet happy anniversary kay Yeye and kay Red, who's celebrating their anniversary tonight. And they're here. And secondly, to G, who bala na, lumipad from Singapore. Kakadating niya lang kanina. So, thank you so much. Napatingin, natulala sa iyong kagandahan. Let's go! Iba na ang iyong hiling, iba na ang iyong hiling, nagbago ng lahat sa iyo. Malaan sa bawat sandali, ikaw ay pinagmamastan. Kahit mabitin aking salita, matay ibinubunyag na di mawawalay. Let's go, guys! Pinapansin, higit sa tabi, kahit ang kapaligiran, sa'yo lang ang tingin. This is not a song, but a message for you.
Yee! Ano na yun?
Hope you like this song. Thank you. Thank you. Kamukha po ba ni Stel?
Yes!
Style lang busog.
Galing
Kailangan ko muna ng attention nyo.
Wow!
Happy birthday, Kim. Ayan na lang, go.
Let's go. Ako daw mag-play. Please welcome, Jeremy.
Palakpak naman dyan. Go ahead. Simplehan lang natin. Huwag tayo masyadong pasabog. Ito na rin ang ginagawa eh. Hey! Let's go, Mami! Alam ko kanina pa to eh. Lower, lower! Oh baby, when you talk like that, you make me wanna go mad. Oh, tonight, you know my hips don't lie, and I'm starting to feel it's right. It's actually, hey. Oh boy, I can see your body moving. Half animal, half man. I don't really know what I'm doing. See you doing what I can, but I can't tell you no. Baba, 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 baba. Heart to explain. Hey, la 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 la. Okay na. Hey. Kaya ko maklis. Go. Shakira, Shakira. Woman, no man. So be wise. I keep on reading the signs of my guns.
She's so sexy, I am that fantasy. A refugee left me back with the freaks from the third world country. Back like when Pac carried plates for we need a whole club chasing boom.
Come on, let's go. Let's go. Everybody, palakpak tayo. Palakpak. On tonight. Put your hands in the air. Put your hands in the air. Hello, hello, baby. You called, I can't hear a thing. I have got no service in the club, you say. What did you say? Oh, you breaking up on me. Sorry, I cannot hear you, I'm kind of busy. Kind of busy. Kind of busy. Sorry, I cannot hear you, I'm kind of busy.
Ibig sa'yo, kahit na nagdurog ang puso. Kung sakaling iwanan ka niya, huwag kang mag-alala. May nagmamahal sa'yo, nandito ako. Umasa, di naniniwala, hindi tayo pwede. Pinagtagpo, pero di tinanggap. Pwede ba sabayan niyo ako dito, guys? Dahil sa'yo ako'y may pag-asa. Ako'y pinto para sa'yo. At kung maubos ang tinig, di magsisisi. Dahil iyong narinig mula sa labi ko. Salamat, salamat.